So today we are making,
Just give him a second.
watermelon. Oh my god, are you okay?
I think I twisted my wrist.
Well, like he was saying, today we're making watermelon juice. Let me just go check on him. Hey kids, my name is Aya.
And I'm Muhammad. And she is
Honey.
Welcome to our show,
Simple, Delicious, and Healthy.
where we take our favorite recipes, substitute with healthy ingredients while keeping the same great taste.
Let's get started, shall we?
8 cups of seedless watermelon
2 cups of ice,
from Pluto, or just from your freezer.
1 lemon and 1 lime.
Half a cup of monk fruit sweetener, depending on how sweet your watermelon is.
We are using straws that are made from plants. Mint optional.
For a delicious minty taste.
The steps are super simple.
Just throw everything in and you're done. Instead of adding ice, you can freeze watermelon balls so it won't water it down.
And now to the enlightenment board. The homemade contains vitamins A, B, and C.
Healthy for your heart.
Super easy to make.
Great idea for leftover watermelon.
Healthy sugar.
It's cheaper and much tastier to make at home, instead of spending $5 for a so-called healthy juice.
This week's shout out goes to...
K Harmony's channel.
Thank you for your support.
Help us make a difference in what kids eat by joining the SDH squad today.
Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads.
Tag SDH on Instagram whenever you make any of our delicious recipes.
Bismillah.
Beautiful weather plus refreshing drink equals awesomeness.
Nothing better than
Amazing.
sit back, relax, enjoy this delicious drink.
Even if you're not a fan of watermelon, your taste buds will instantly change their mind.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to support our small but growing channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing to your mom, dad, auntie, uncle. And please don't forget to comment down below your thoughts and what you'd like to see in future videos. And as always, simple, delicious, and healthy.
Even if you're not a fan of watermelon, you will thank your taste buds. What?
You will think?
Your taste buds will change their mind instantly. Even if you're not a fan of watermelon, your taste buds.
So today we are making
Just give him a second.
watermelon. Whoa, you okay down there?
I think I twisted an arm.
Okay.
Arm.
Even if you're not a fan of taste buds,
Yeah.